Hello everyone, welcome to Something of Everything. This video shall be perhaps the smallest one of my channel. All I want to do is I want to hide this navigation to cube because I'm just using a 2D drawing and I don't want this to appear in the top right. So to hide it, all I have to do is I have to write nav cube and press off to it and it's gone. If I want to see the 3D of any drawing, all I have to do is I have to just on it and I can see the kind of view that I wish to see. But as my drawing is not in 3D, I'll not be able to see anything. So I don't need that cube at all. So this was the command to hide it. Thank you for watching this short video. Do like, share and subscribe the same. Thank you.